All right, my guys. Welcome to the part four. Welcome to the part four. Now, okay. Now, after the after this planning your OCAD. Now, the reason why it took long is that I want you to get it, like, and to what get the right thing for you to do, or else your book will be looking scattered after converting to what PDF. So now, what's the next thing to do now? Now, don't okay. Now we are still on chapter. I'm coming. We are still on chapter one. All right. So our next thing to pick here is now what selecting foods varieties. Okay, selecting foods. No, choosing the right location. Now that choosing the right location, don't forget it's a. Now let me just choosing the right location. It's a subtitle. Okay, it's a subtitle. Okay. Now we are done with planning your orchard. Let me delete it. Now I have written choosing the let me just delete this. Now choosing the right location is the what next thing for us now. Now just shift all these remaining, just just click on enter. Now it's a what subtitle. It can what start on any number of pages. It can start from either odd or even. It is not a main title, it's a subtitle, please. It's a subtitle. Now choosing the right location. Okay, let's bring it up. You press back to always bring it up. Always bring it up. Come. Okay, don't forget that this page 6 is because we don't want to start our chapter 1 from it. That's why we left it. And I told you we'll be adding an image there. Now, this is choosing the right location. Okay, enter back. It's choosing the right location. Now, it don't forget it's a subtitle. And I told you you can now your subtitle on that style it will be under what subtitle. Okay, now the color we can, I told you that the color should be in blue. Now the font we can use also the same Mary weather for the subtitle, same as the title also. And the alignment should be left. Okay, it's left already because it's a subtitle. Don't forget, if it's a title it will be where in the it will be what centralized. Choosing the right location. Now we can increase the font. Can increase the font. Font is very small. Can increase the font. Okay, can increase the font. Choosing the right location. Now I don't like how it's looking. Now we can just centralize it to make it look better. Okay, choosing the right location. Okay, let me remove this. Choosing the right location. I feel we should um align it to the left. Okay, let us align to the left and find how it can look more better. I think we should be dealing with the font. Coming. Okay, coming. And finding a way to come. Okay. Choosing the right location. Coming. Trying to check why it's not here. Okay, just press enter back. Let it enter. Choosing the right location. Okay. Okay, I think it's the font. Coming. Let me decrease the font a little bit. Decrease the font. Choosing the right location. Okay, now you can see that. Choosing the right location. Now what can we do here? What can we do? We can underline. Now it's aligned to the left. It's centralized or left. I think it's still standing in the same place. So choosing the right location. It's a subtopic. Now come to your chat GPT. So I come and ask it to now give me a content on choosing the right location for a fruit gardening project. Okay, now you can see it. You can see it. Okay, now this one is just little. Okay, this one is just little. So you can copy it. Don't forget your dupli checker. Your dupli checker. This one is paraphraser.io. Dupli checker. To first check for plagiarism first. Check for plagiarism. Can check plague. Okay, I'm not a robot. Click on check plagiarism. Okay, fill. It said you should fill the capture first. Okay, this is the capture. Let it tick. So you click on check plagiarism. I know for those of you that are what writers and you can write by yourself, you can also do that. And just make sure you use paraphraser.io to make it more creative and not just a basic text. Those that's for those that can write. Same thing also 100% plagiarism. No, 100% unique, 0% plagiarism. Okay, so that means it's still our same content. So you can try to paraphrase at what paraphraser.io. Okay, and you can decide to what leave it like that. But what I would advise you always what paraphrase. Okay, or I will advise you what always paraphrase. Okay, so that at least it will change. Now you can use any of the three. You can use standard also. Can you also use standard option also? Okay, I'm not a robot. You can paraphrase. Just wait, let it load. Now, can you see? Can you see now? Can you see? These are the words it's changed. Okay, these are the words that it changed. Okay, so you just copy it and come back to your book and what paste. No, now you paste. Now, don't forget the first thing I told you after you paste. When I tell you that, go to click on it and go to clear formatting. When you click on clear formatting, okay. Now, the next thing is that come to your font, click on now, okay, your font, click on trebuchet. What next do you do? And your text color is black. Go to paragraph, put it in left alignment, put it in left alignment. Your line spacing 1.5. Now, all these ones, we decided to put in left alignment so you can just decide to do this manually and just shift it. Okay, shift it by yourself manually. Now you can see, you, um, you can see that it's looking. Now let us try to. I just want to show you something. Let's try to justify. Now it's on justification. Now can you see that justification is making it have some kind of unnecessary spaces? Can you see that it's making it have some kind of unnecessary space? I'm coming. Okay. Now can you see that the justification is making it have unnecessary spaces in between the words? Now what do you do? Go back to your left alignment. Go back to your left alignment. To your left alignment. Can you see that the spaces will go away? Okay. Now you can create a what's it called, a paragraph manually by what? By shifting and the first sentence a bit to the front like I did here. Can you see? Just put the marker there and click on enter. So it will what? Make it look good. Okay. Okay, I think this is a point also. I think this is a point. Or is it a point? Okay, just leave it like that. Now, and the next thing here, the next subtopic here is selecting food varieties. Selecting food varieties. Can you not like chapter one self is already taking up to like five page pages now. One, two, three, four. So four now. Okay. So now we are done with choosing the right location, and the next thing is what? Selecting food varieties. Now I let me see, maybe you can start the new subtopic from here. Yeah, you should be able to start it from here. Choosing the right location. Now selecting food varieties. Coming. Okay. Just put it here and click on clicking back. Okay, so that you can start it here. Selecting food varieties. Okay, don't forget it's a subtopic also. Style, use subtitle. The color blue, please don't forget that. The color blue, increase the font a little bit. The font should be, let's use so for your both title and subtitle, use Merry Weather or what? Okay, I didn't use Merry Weather here. Let me use Merry Weather to here. Let me use Merry. Okay, I think this is Merry Weather. This is Merry Weather. Now use Merry Weather. And the font, let me see the font. The font for your subtitle should be, let me check the one I used here. Just click on it and check the font here is 18. The font here can also be 18. Yeah, it's also 18. Yeah. So I said you can underline also. Okay, can underline also. Just click on you, underline. Okay, selecting food varieties. Okay, so food varieties. Now, okay, just look at your book. Okay, so you can see that it's looking good now. I see that it's looking good. Now, selecting food varieties. Now, come back. Selecting food varieties. Now, give me a content on selecting food varieties for a food garden. Alright. Alright, you can see that is generating content. So this is good. I'll copy. First, you go to your duplicate checker and check for um plagiarism. Checker.com. Alright, so you paste. So after this, I won't be checking the plagiarism again to fasten the course. So if it's you, please check plagiarism for everything, for what, every content, please. So after this checking of the plagiarism, I won't be checking it again for the sake of the course. So if it's you, please check everything, and what if you don't understand anything, can drop your issues on the Telegram group. And click on check plagiarism. Check plagiarism. So you wait, let it load. It won't take long if your network is good. 33%. Now it's almost done. Okay, 92. Okay, now I think it's done now. Now it's still what? Unique. It's still unique, alright? It's still unique. So so what do? You what? Copy it. Okay, I'm coming. So now after it, and you what? Copy your content, and you can decide to paraphrase. You can decide to paraphrase that. Now I would even advise what? Paraphrase. Okay, I would even advise you do what? Paraphrase. Okay, now you copy your thing here. Okay, since okay, just let's just copy it. But since there was no plagiarism, so you can go to paraphraser.io and what? Paraphrase. Okay, paraphrase. You can use word changer, you can use standard, you can use what? Fluency. Anyone you can use what you can use word changer. Now for the next one, you can use fluency. For the next one, you can use what? Standard. So you paste. So let's use standard. But what use standard most of the times. Use standard most of the time. So just wait. So have you seen that? So you are done. You guys essential to essential essential for two. Okay, all right. So you can see the word that it has what? Changed. See the word that it has what? Changed. Okay. Okay. Now you can also use what? Fluency. Can also use fluency, and now still paraphrase it again, and what? And check that one too. So after this one, I won't be what? Coming here to do the. So I'll just tell you, you what? Check for plagiarism, so you know how to do that. You what? Paraphrase also, and you know how to do that also. So you copy your content, and you come here, and you come and paste here. All right, come and paste here. Now now you can see that it is being justified here. You can see that it is being justified here. Okay, okay. Let's just leave it on the new page. You can see that it's been justified, but there are what? Spaces. There are what? Spaces there. But there are spaces between the what? So what do? Copy everything. Copy everything. Copy everything. Come here. Now the first thing is what? Clear formatting. Okay, clear formatting. So it will be something like this. It will what? Make it the main original words, like you copy the words. So the first thing for you to do is to what? Change the font to treble chat. Don't forget that treble chat. You can leave the size in 11 or 12. Now I think we should use 12. Yeah, let's keep using 12. So paragraph. Now if we should justify, you can see that the spaces came back. Okay, so you just align to the left. You just align to the left, and you increase the line spacing to 1.5. Please don't forget that. Don't forget that. So you can see now. You can see. So now all these parts that is shifting, can one just one. No, this one is already there. This one, just you just be pressing the back button to make it the same line. The same line. Can you see? They are like points, but you know what? I want you to like be in the same line. They're like the same point, but I want it to be in the same line. Be in the same line. Now you can see. That is looking better now. Selecting food varieties. Now you can see. Now, and the last subtopic here is what designing your garden layout. So after this, under chapter one, I'll go to chapter two, and I'll stop the chapters there. So you would know how to do the rest if it's yours. Now, planning your orchard. Now, okay, these are the subtopics under it. Choosing the right location. Now, the person that bought your book, anything that the person needs to be successful, the person will surely see it here. Okay, the person will also we will surely see it here. All right. Now, and the last one is designing your garden layout. Designing your garden layout. Just shift it upwards a little bit. Upwards a little bit, and shift this one downwards. Now also, now let me give you this. We can let all the subtitle, all the subtopic start from a new page. Now you can see this empty space here. You can see this empty space here. Okay. So what you do is that what we are going to do is that what we are going to add what images to it. Okay. We are going to add images to it. We are going to add images to it. Okay. Now this is what you do. Coming. Right now we are going to add images to this page 10 now, so that this selecting food varieties can start from page 11, which is the new page. Okay. Now, designing your garden layout. Now let this also start from in a new page, and what we are going to add a new uh, sorry we are going to add an image to the remaining space here in page 12. Now don't forget title it's a subtitle. Now under style it will be subtitle, color black, no, color blue, sorry. I'm sorry for that. Area should be the font should be what's it called, Merriweather, and we can make it 18. Okay, designing your layout. Just copy it and let's do the alignment. It's the one that will fit. Then your garden layer all left. No, we can use left. Can use this. No. So 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 let's use what's it called? Let us centralize it. Now it's the one that will fit in with the words that what you would use. Okay. Now you can decide to underline it. Yeah. Make just make sure you underline. Just make sure you underline. Now let's go and get content for designing your garden layout. Designing your garden layout. And your garden layout. Content. Designing. Give me content on designing garden layout for a food gardening. Make sure you are specific. Please make sure you are specific. Okay. Now you can see that it's giving content. Yes. Now can you see this one also is okay like this? Copy and what go to your duplicate and check for what check for plagiarism. Now if any word there after checking for plagiarism in the what result, if you see any red marked word there, that means it is what plagiarized, or what any red marked sentence there, it is what plagiarized. What will you do? Copy it out, cut it, remove the remove the sentence, only that sentence. Go to your paraphrasal.io. You can now what paraphrase that only sentence and come and paste it there back. Okay. I hope you get that. So designing a so you can see designing your garden. So and effective. So all these spaces between the words, you can close them up, close them up. So you can see that you can close them up because it's not needed here. You can close them up. So can you see that it's on left alignment already? Can you see that it's on left alignment already? It's on left alignment already. Can you can see that our book is now looking nice. Now also, sorry. Also now for this your chapter one, you can bold your topics and sub topics. Okay, you can bold it. Can bold it. So that's why I said you should watch everything first. You should watch everything first. You should watch everything first. As I said, and because there are still some points I'm still giving in the middle. Signing your so bold it also. Designing your garden layout. So you can see that it's looking better now. So you can see designing your garden layout. Now, so now we are now done with chapter one. We are now done with what? Chapter one. Okay. Our chapter two will be soil preparation and what? Nutrition. Now I will do the chapter two for you. I'll do the chapter two for you, and so that's how you do the remaining chapters till the end. That's how you do the remaining chapters till the, and what you can now when you tell you to give you table of content and it's too much, like maybe this one now, this one for example now is too much. Now you can tell it to what reduce the what chapters to maybe 6 or 7 for you. Tell the chat GPT to what reduce chapters to what 6 or 7 for you. It will surely do that. Okay, and you can work with the 6 or 7 chapters that you have been given. Amendment is okay, this 27. Now for the after this place now, you can see that the next page for us, sorry, see that the next page, okay, this bold, sorry, I pressed undo. Okay, now can see that the next page for us to start chapter 2 is on page 15. So it's an odd number, so we go on with it. Now let's say this was page 14 now. Let's say this page 15 is page 14. What do? We will leave this empty space. Don't forget, please. We will leave this empty space on, let's say it is page 14. You know that it's an even number. We will leave this empty space and now start from here, which will be page what? 15. But now this page is what? Page what? 15. So we'll be starting chapter 2 from here. And our chapter 2 is what? Soil preparation and what? Nutrition. So soil preparation and nutrition. So just shift this up. Soil preparation and nutrition. So shift all the subtopics down. All the subtopics down. So you can shift the soil preparation and nutrition up. Okay, and shift all these subtopics down. Now, all right. Let me stop here so that the video won't be too long. Thank you. Now we'll be doing chapter I think the next one after this one. So you watch it. Thank you.